Okay, so today we're going to talk about biomes of the world. And to start off with, I just want to raise the question of whether or not you know what a biome is. Have you heard of it? Do you maybe know some names of it? If not, it's okay. We're going to go through them anyway today. Here's a little definition. Biomes are regions in the world that have similar climates, plants, and animals. We're actually going to look at two different types of biomes today. The first one being the terrestrial biome, which is basically land biomes, and the second one being aquatic biomes, water biomes. For today, we're just going to look at terrestrial just because I don't want to overload you with information. And terrestrial biomes include the tundra, the rainforest, the savanna, the taiga, the temperate forest, the temperate grassland, the alpine, and the desert. So firstly, let's look at the tundra. It's located in north and south poles. It's very dry, cold, and windy. It's the coldest, and there's very little rainfall. Caribou are very common in the tundra, and so are short shrubs such as these. They're short so they don't get uprooted by the wind. Next, let's talk about the rainforest. There are actually two types of the rainforest. There's tropical and temperate. There's lots of rain, obviously, in the rainforest, and there's high biodiversity, meaning there's lots of plants and animals. It's very hot in the rainforest, and many have actually said that the sounds of the rainforest are very soothing. So I just want to give you a quick clip of what a rainforest sounds like. So hopefully you notice the birds in the background and maybe even some monkeys chirping. Our next biome is quite the opposite of the rainforest. It is the savanna. There are lots of grasses, very few trees. It's very hot, and it's very dry land, which is why it's so easy to start wildfires in the savanna. They can be found in Africa, Australia, and South America. Lions and elephants are very, very common animals in the savanna. Think of the Lion King if you need to. Our next biome is the taiga. It's very interesting in the fact that it is the largest land biome on Earth. It has very long winters and short summers. It's found in North America, Europe, and Asia, the red areas on the map. And here's a picture of the taiga, and deer and actually the grizzly bear are home to the taiga. Next, we have the temperate forest. We should be familiar with this because we actually live in one. The trees change color. There's 4 seasons: spring, the summer, the fall, and the winter. And then we also have the grasslands, which are known as prairies in the U.S. There are lots of grasses, which make rich soil for some farmers to grow crops. Hot summers and cold winters describe this biome. Buffalo and little prairie dogs actually roam in the grasslands. And next we have our alpine. It's very cold in the alpine. There's mountainous regions. There's the Andes, the Alps, and the Rockies. And in fact, the alpine and Arctic biomes cover 16% of Earth's surface. The snow leopard and the mountain goat call the alpine their home. My last biome I want to talk about today is the desert. It covers about 1/5 of the Earth, and it can be both hot and cold. In fact, Antarctica is the largest desert in the world, and the Sahara in Africa is the largest hot desert. The kangaroo rat, the rattlesnake, and cacti are home to the desert. And you need to watch out for the rattlesnake and the cacti because they can be very dangerous. Next, I just want to show you the links to some of the photos if you'd like to check them out, especially the last website here, the kids one, is very good. Here's the link to the movie, and thank you for watching.